Check out the irony in this. I got a letter from animal control claiming I don't feed my animals. Yet there's a Ring doorbell right here. They could have easily hit that and talked to me in person. Let's go over here. I have bales of hay that are kind of obvious, covered up here. And I have these containers all over full of produce to feed the animals, but yet people are claiming I don't feed my animals. This is utter bullshit. I guess you have Karens, even in the country, calling animal control, I don't feed my animals. That's insane. This is all produce to feed animals. My animals. The ones over there.